Wow, that is a bright RV. I like the colors. It's green, black, white, a little bit of gray. Definitely stands out though, pretty bright. Whoa, look at that monster truck. Toll Plaza. Oh, how neat. Look at that trailer. It folds all. Over here. And it's a sleeper. I guess oh, that might be like a coffin. Good morning, everyone. Asha here from Panda Monium. We stayed here at a Cracker Barrel, and it was fairly quiet all night. But we're going to get back on the road. We are going to go check out a campground and see if there are any available spots. Jeff and Dave have to dump as well. Right, Moo-moo? Let's go check out a campground. So you have to dump. We thought we could go ahead and stop there and see if the sites were available. Going around the parking lot just to lock my truck in. Ooh, look at that truck. Ooh. Fire. Seems like it's seen better days. I don't think my truck locked in, but we're still ready to go. There goes Dave. And Jeff is coming as well. Moo-moo Nanny, co-pilot. Well, you're not a very good co-pilot, are you? You're just gonna sleep. Yes, your turning signal's on. We had an awesome time here. I got to stop at 2 botanical gardens, which went on the other channel. They were beautiful. We're getting on 60 West.
Continue on State Road 60 West for 58 miles.
And going about 60 miles. Thanks, Charlie.
Road for 2 miles.
All right, like Charlie said, we have about 2 miles to our destination. Or actually, no, we have to make another turn. About 3 miles to our destination. If I didn't mention it, we are now heading towards the west coast of Florida. We'll be camping in the Tampa area, but we're gonna see if we can do a mid-stop here. And then we have one more stopping point before we hit Tampa. I think the next area is Lake City. Or something like that. Lake View. It's a lake something.
Continue on Rosalie Lake Road for 1 mile.
1 more mile until the campground. There are panthers, I believe, in this area. It's a little bit off the beaten path. Welcome to Lake Rosalie campground. Airboats prohibited. Campground park hours 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. No alcohol beverages. No riding of 4-wheelers, go-karts, ATVs, dirt bikes. No littering.
Your destination is on the left.
Thanks, Charlie. It's kind of full. It is the weekend, or Friday. At least there's a roundabout here. That would suck if we had to...
Looked like there were some empty sites just as we came in.
Huh, maybe we should check at the office. Oh, look at the sandbill cranes. I always see them in pairs. I think they do mate for life. Look, Moo-moo. Those are ones that make that creepy sound.
4 electrical sites up there. Yeah, that's what I said we passed. There were sites that nobody was there.
All right, maybe one of us should get out and ask.
Supposed to be first come, first served.
You stay there, Moo-moo. Hello. You know camp post here?
Where do you
No, right there. They're not here.
Manager,
Oh, there.
manager lives right there, but Bobby said he's gone for the.
Oh, okay.
Well, they say we can just pull in.
Go ahead and pick your spot if you
Yeah.
want.
Okay. Go around this way, I guess. The nice fellas said that we could just find a spot and the camp post should be back, but he's gone right now. So I just pulled in right here. I believe we noticed that it was $20 a night for full hookups. There are more available spots over there as well. And I think where Dave is now is the dump station and water. So the camp host just came by. So we are good to go. This is actually 4 sites. So if someone comes in and they need the site, I'll have to shuffle up a little bit. We'll be staying for 2 nights at $20 a night. The dump is an extra $10 if you need to use that. And that's just because camping is so cheap here. But the next couple of spots, we have actually done a research and booked our reservations. That way we don't have to worry about it. It's a little after 5 now and it is cooled down. Today got in the 80s, which I'm not complaining. It was a beautiful day, but 80s can be a little warm. The nice thing is though, is we're plugged in, so I can always cut on the AC. So now, since it's cooled off, we're gonna go for a quick walk. I rode one of those when we were, I think, in Michigan. Yeah, but I'm not sure if that one's paddle. When we were on was paddle. Wow, how beautiful here. They have a nice little deck that goes out.
Like a one-person pontoon boat.
Oh, with a huge engine. That's funny. Wow, I bet that thing goes pretty fast. So here's some of the rules here at the boat ramp area. Stop aquatic hitchhikers. Just telling you to clean your boat. No jumping, diving, or swimming. Yeah, I'm sure there can be alligators here. So, definitely a beautiful spot. Gonna be glad to stay here a couple days. If we like it enough, we might extend our stay here, but not sure yet. Gonna take a walk down the road. I think Jeff said he saw a sign for Panthers. Was it Panthers?
Yeah, Panther crossings.
Yeah, Panther crossings right before we got here to this campsite, which I'm sure there's plenty of places for them to hide. Feels absolutely wonderful right now, although there's no breeze, but there's also no mosquitoes, which is good. They do have a dumpster here. We were gonna take a walk down there, but there's no outlet and no trespassing. It is a private road. All residents back in that area. So I guess we'll just walk on the main road. That's one thing I would have to say is that there's not actually a trail system here. That would make this place 2 times better. Look at that driveway entrance with all the live oak and Spanish moss growing. That's beautiful. We've been passing several of these lots. They're kind of weird. Some of them are very narrow, some of them are wide, and some of them just have RVs on them, so it must be an RV-friendly community. That's a nice lot. Look at all the oak trees. Oh yeah, see how they just have an RV? Yeah, there you go, Jeff. There's a pond on that one. Awesome. Some plots have 2 entrances, where most just have 1, so it must be a double plot. And Jeff made a good point. There's a boat launch right down the road, so you can get yourself a boat and just keep it on your property whenever you're here. Yes, some of these just have very hidden driveways. That's what I like, because the vegetation's so thick. Oh look, they sell wholesale citrus trees. It's like a, I guess like a horse farm here.
Oh, Oh, this one's pretty.
What is it? Oh, that is pretty. I love the way they did that. Yeah, look at,
They got their mailbox.
yeah, their mailbox looks awesome. They've used like natural wood. Too cool.
Probably just about anything you planted grows here.
Probably, you don't have to worry about frost here. Yeah, that one's landscaped really nicely. Oh, the tree, that is cool. Or the bush. Wow, they have like 2, 3 RVs there. Nice. Oh no, 4, 5, 6. Oh, look at, they have goats. Is that a goat or is that a baby cow? That's a baby cow. I thought it was a goat. Yeah, look at that old car. What are those called again? T-models or something like that?
Model T, is it?
Yeah, Model T. So Jeff just pointed out the eagle's nest there, and there's an eagle on top of the electric pole. I don't know, is it an eagle or is it a hawk? Yeah, it does look like an eagle. It's looking right at us. All right, I think we're gonna turn around because I'm gonna make dinner for everybody tonight. I think we're doing what, Philly subs? But I'm gonna do baked Philly subs. I know I went over the pricing, but here it is again on the sign. So it is $20 for electric and water. Each additional person is $1. And per night for person without electric and water is only $10 for county residents. Non-county is $15, so you might as well just pay the extra $5. And each additional person is $1. Dump station per camper is $10. And maximum length of stay from October, December, and January through March, high use, 28 consecutive days. And then April through June and July through September, same thing. Oh no, this one says 56 days per quarter per campground. Okay, we have the sirloin Philly steak that's already seasoned. This is just the Walmart brand. I think it comes with 4 patties and it breaks up really nicely. And then I've got the veggies here, just peppers and red onions. And I'm gonna saute those in the butter and some olive oil. Hey Kellogg, you smell it? Huh? Philly steak and cheese.
Yeah, I need a 4th one. I want the one.
One for you and one for moo-moo. Y'all gonna split it? I chopped up some spinach, and this is what the patties look like. They're just shaved meat that is compressed and already seasoned, but they're not pre-cooked. The onions and peppers are done. Gonna add in the meat. Let that cook down a little bit. One more. I can do it. Squeeze it in there. All right. The sub rolls are the Hawaiian sweetbread. I'm gonna add sour cream, mayonnaise, and garlic powder to that. Okay, the bread is ready for the Philly cheesesteak. The French fries are done, but I'm gonna cook them with the Philly cheesesteaks. I think they could use a little longer. And the Philly cheesesteaks are ready to go into the oven. I've got 2 layers of cheese, one on the bottom and one on top, along with the sour cream, garlic, and also the mayonnaise. Then the layer of Philly in the middle. All right. Let's put those towards the top. Air fry. Well, yeah, let's do the 375 for 10 minutes. Should work. Okay, dinner is done. Yum, yum.
Yes, it is. Yum, yum.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
What a wet and gloomy day. Yesterday was wet and gloomy as well. We had thought about staying one more night, but since it's raining, we changed our mind. The first day we were here was amazing. It was a beautiful day. But yeah, we're gonna get on the road. I have to fill up my water and then unplug. I don't really have much out, so it'll be easy to go. Truck's already hooked up. Okay, I have my water filled up. I just have to unhook the electric. Well, look at you in your fancy rain jacket.
Yeah, look at you with your fancy umbrella.
I know. Okay, I think we're ready. I've got everything packed up. Dave's just starting up. Moo-moo's in her normal position. So I want to thank y'all for hanging out with us during this video. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, if you want to check out more videos, they'll be right over here. If you want to check out Patreon, or subscribe. It'll be right over there. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.